it really possible to make a moist and delicious cornbread without eggs or milk? Yes, it is. And today I'm showing you how to make the fluffiest, most buttery, non-dairy cornbread you've ever had using a secret ingredient that's not only genius, but also super healthy, and it's quick and easy. Stay to the end because there are tips I will share that will take this recipe to the next level that you don't want to miss. Let's get started. You're probably thinking, non-dairy, no eggs. This is gonna taste like cardboard. But trust me, this recipe is going to blow your mind. And here's the kicker. Drum roll, please. You're using silken tofu instead of eggs. Yep, tofu. Not only does it make your cornbread moist and fluffy, but it's also packed with protein. So sit tight and let's get mixing. All right, here's the game plan. We're starting with 3 boxes of Krusteaz honey cornbread and muffin mix. Yep, 3 boxes, because no one ever said there's too much cornbread, right? Cornmeal contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help protect cells from damage and may reduce the risk of certain diseases like macular degeneration. It is also a good source of fiber, particularly insoluble fiber, which helps promote healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and support a balanced gut. Instead of regular milk, we're using almond milk. If you're allergic to nuts, soy milk works just as well. Just make sure it's unsweetened and unflavored. No vanilla cornbread here, folks. Now, here's our secret weapon, silken tofu. To replace eggs, we're using 1/4 cup of silken tofu for each egg. So for this recipe, we'll need 3/4 cup of tofu. Just blend it up really well in the blender until it's smooth and creamy. No lumps allowed. This isn't a chunky soup. And here's why tofu is such a win. It's loaded with protein, low in fat, and contains 9 essential amino acids. Plus, it's rich in calcium, which makes it a powerhouse ingredient for anyone trying to eat healthier. Who knew cornbread could be good for you? Finally, we're adding canola oil, 1/3 cup for each box. Pour it in, mix it up, and let's get this batter in the pan. Pro tip, use Smart Balance to grease your pan. It gives your cornbread that golden crust we all know and love. Trust me, this small step makes a big difference. Now, it's time to bake. Pop this beauty into the oven at 375 Fahrenheit for 27 to 29 minutes. And while it's baking, here's a fun fact. Did you know tofu has been shown to support heart health and even bone strength? Yes, this cornbread is basically a health food. Here's another tip. To make sure your cornbread is perfectly baked, stick a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. If not, give it a couple more minutes and try again. All right, moment of truth. Our cornbread is baked to golden perfection, but we're not stopping here. Oh no, we're taking this from good to next level amazing with a little secret moisture magic. Grab your Smart Balance and smother a generous amount over the top. Don't miss a single spot. And if you're like me and love a little extra sweetness, drizzle honey on top and smooth it out evenly. This step takes your cornbread from basic to banging. Now, if you're an orthodox vegan, feel free to skip the honey. But as for me, I'm keeping it. It's cornbread's best accessory. And there you have it, non-dairy cornbread that's golden, moist, and absolutely irresistible. You won't even miss the eggs or milk, I promise. Just look at that crust. Let me know in the comments if you're team honey or team no honey. And if you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me. I'd love to see your creations. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Oh, and hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Here's to your success.